Hi, welcome to today's Q&A. Hope your week's going well so far and you're getting very productive, getting things done. Today's question comes from, let's have a look. Today's question comes from Tanya, and she asks, basically I'm struggling throughout the week to find out the best time that I'm productive. Okay, can you help? Okay, straightforward question. We've had similar questions come into this, and what we've done is we've created a tool that you can download for free. I'll put the link in below after I explain how it works. So what it is you need to, I suppose, you need to track for a 7-day period, yeah, from the time you wake up to the time you go to sleep. And it's your energy, your focus, and your motivation, yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so great, coming up to 10 being, oh, you've got lots of energy, you're full, you're ready to, you're pumped and ready to go, and you're going to hit the ground running, sort of thing. So on the hour, every hour, just track it, yeah, in this tool that we're going to provide for you. And at the end, it'll produce a graph for you, and it will show you exactly where your peak states are. So what you need to do is look at that graph and then say to yourself, okay, if that's my peak state, now I need to schedule my day around that time. So I know that in those couple of hours, the power hour, whatever you want to call it, that's the time that you do your core activities. Everything else slips to the side. So some people are early risers, and they get things done like before 9 o'clock, yeah, because they've gone to the gym, they've pumped themselves up, full of energy, and then that's the time they focus on their core activities. And then after 9 o'clock, they'll end up doing everything else. Other people, they can't get out of bed before 9 o'clock. Yeah, so their core activities probably starts in the afternoon, yeah, when they're sort of got a lot of energy. So you've got to find out what it is for you. And the way to do that is use this tool. And I hope that helps and answers your questions. Keep those questions coming in. We love them. So until next week, catch you soon. Bye.